Hi, welcome to Chester Company. Here at Chester, we believe in creating the highest quality products at the lowest possible price. For the past 8 years, we have been creating cutting-edge sensors. We've realized that consumers want products in both high-tech and low-tech. However, we have been able to focus on our high-tech products, cookie and candy, while also having a presence in low-tech with cake. Later in this video, we're going to talk with some of the members of the board about our struggles and our triumphs, and we will also be analyzing our competition.
Chester Sensors started its life as an offshoot of a larger sensor company. From these semi-humble beginnings, Chester sought to make a distinguished name for itself through providing the fulfillment of consumers' desires in the high-tech market. This was represented in Chester's goal to sell the most in the high-tech market segment. Year after year, Chester hit their mark by selling more than any other company when it came to high-tech by producing multiple products at the cutting edge of performance, style, and size.
So Brad, over the past 8 years, what was your biggest struggle?
I'd have to say our biggest struggle was being able to bounce back from a $17 million emergency loan.
That's quite a bit.
It was a lot.
What caused that?
We got a little too excited and produced way too many units.
Really?
Yes.
How many units did you overproduce?
800,000.
Wow. I know you want to overproduce a little bit. I mean, you want to have a little excess, but probably not 800,000 units.
No, not at all.
Wow. So what did you learn from that?
Well, we learned to forecast a little bit better, and if you look at our numbers since then, we have done very well.
All right.
While Chester may have proved to be an obstacle to itself in year 3, Chester's real competition came in the form of the other major sensor companies that sprung from the same parent company.
Okay, so Kyle, when it comes to the high-tech market, who's your biggest competitor?
Inside of the high-tech market, it had to be Erie.
And why would Erie be your highest?
They were able to get 2 products just specifically for the high-tech market, and they were able to provide the best overall competition, though we were able to obtain the highest market share in the high-tech market.
Okay, so overall competition, who's your biggest
Overall, it had to be Andrews, because they had extremely high market shares in high-tech and low-tech, and they were able to come out with the highest overall market share.
Great.
While most larger corporations sectioned off specific roles to each individual in a command group, Chester executives formed a collective panel in order to make decisions for the company. The panel would meet together to compute and analyze various sets of data in order to come to a consensus on decisions for the direction that the company should progress. As you can see, their style of management has paid off in the long run. Yet how will it affect the near future? I was able to sit down with Chris Peebles, one of the members of the Chester management panel, and look into their forecast predictions for the upcoming year. As you can see, Chester plans on increasing all of its key identifiers except ROE. When asked, Chris stated that they would receive a slight deduction in their ROE due to the fact that Chester was not planning on issuing as large of a dividend. Chester Company has proved since its fateful split from its parent company that it can compete with the big dogs and come out on top. From here, we can only see great things from Chester Sensors and look to the future as Chester continues its legacy of triumph.